Hey guys, this is a video for MIS Busy 100, and this is a video to talk about DBMS, which is also known as Database Management Systems. So, from a little definition on the internet, a database management system, DBMS, is a system software for creating and managing databases. The DBMS provides users and programmers with a systematic way to create, retrieve, update, and manage data. So DBMS is used in certain ways to create, retrieve, update, and manage data. So basically then if you were to start off, you would have to start off with a database. So once you have a database, you could use the DBMS, certain system softwares that you prefer or that are popular during this age to manage the data in a way that you wanted to manage it by using an application or just being a user of a DBMS. So one popular database management system that we use in the current age is Microsoft Access, and Microsoft Access has actually been out since November 13th, 1992, which is quite a long time ago. And to think about that, we have actually been organizing data and managing data since the late 1900s, and it has been quite an important factor for many businesses and organizations and where they want to organize data in a certain way, because there may be an overpiling amount of data that you might have to organize. So Access is actually really nice because we've been using MIS, and it's very nice because one of the ICAs that we're actually working on has a database that is already made, and we basically use design query in order to pinpoint certain columns or datas that we want to grab out from the database to put into one new table. So in using one new table, in creating one new table, we would have to determine what the primary key is. So primary key is, if you go on the queries, design query page, it's going to be all the way on the left side, and that one determines what the data is by, or what the column determines what the rest of the query is, because it is a unique value in which it determines each row of that unique value and what it specifies and what detail has. And so basically Access is very useful because, or very helpful too, because like every time you try to delete a query or anything like that, it first asks you to save the query and to always, it never lets you lose the data unless you don't save it. So it always reminds you. And it also, Microsoft Access combines the relational Microsoft Jet database engine with a graphical user and interface and software development tools. It is a member of Microsoft Office, which is a suite of applications and includes professional and higher editions of Microsoft Access that can be used in businesses and etc. And that's basically what DBMS is.